Welcome to Hands-On Pressure Washing, your premier choice for expert cleaning services in Baton Rouge, Louisiana and surrounding areas. Owned and operated by Darris, we specialize in both residential and commercial pressure washing solutions. Our comprehensive services include power washing, soft washing, deep cleaning, specialized treatments for buildings, driveways, resident parking areas, and even stadiums. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, Hands-On Pressure Washing delivers exceptional results that restore and enhance the beauty of your property. Contact us today at 225-431-7717 or email us at darriswhitting@gmail.com to discover how we can transform your space.